Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you all? Today we are going to create a very professional and attractive logo for our clients. So let's see how we can do it. First of all, select this rectangular tool, rounded rectangular, and make a shape. Okay. Now you can see this is white color, so change the color into any dark or I'm choosing dark color. This is perfect. Now make hold shift button a straight line make this and change the color. Now place it here on the top and select all of this and go to align panel, align and vertical align. Everything perfect. Now select and go to pathfinder and this minus. Done. Now put it aside. Now select another rectangular tool again and make a cup shape. Yeah, perfect. Change the color. Now select ellipse tool. Change color. We will choose same color of this first box. Now select this two, align, done. This is perfect. Now change this color. Like this light shape. Select and place. This is perfect. Okay. Make sure you don't need any stroke, only you need fill. Now select this ellipse tool and make two ellipses. Okay. Select these two and choose the same color. Select both and place here. This like the coffee or something is melting and just dripping down from the glass. Yeah, now select this pen tool and make a waterproof shape. Just like waterproof, choose the color white. Now select, this is so big, in it small, more small. Now just place it here. This is just like the water is dropping from the glasses. Now select it and drag with alter button, so there is make a copy. This is so yes, perfect. This is still not perfect. Now I just want a fire or fire symbol. So first just select all of this. Much better. Now select all of this and put it aside. Now make a fire logo. Select whatever is no problem, just this is a demo process. Now make a copy of this, make it small, this type. Now select it, transform, reflect and open, and change the color to white and place it here. This is done. Now make it small and place it on the middle. Good. Now the tagline, choose here. Yeah. January and bold. Effect, stabilizer and rounded corner. Preview. So then So if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe my channel.